Joey's first steps. Isn't it exciting? Oops! Didn't quite make it. Oops! He can crawl real good. He can cruise along and touch things. He's 11 months old today. And just earlier before I picked up the camera, he actually walked from that rocking chair all the way to the stable. I was just trying to get him to walk again for the camera. I just thought it was so neat. Get you on tape there, baby. Joey! Hey! Joey! Joseph! Hey! Joey! Joey! Show everybody how you pull yourself up. You sure have gotten big. Can you tell me? Say hi, Mama. You are the sweetest baby, you know that? You excited about your new brother or sister coming, huh? See, he's not holding on to anything there, he's just standing. He's actually... he's walking to me. Are you walking to me? Come on, buddy. Oh, he leans over and grabs it. Yay! That's my boy. Yay, Joey. You come here? Come here. You can do it. Look at those little paws. Joey. Whoa. Oh, Joey. What'd you do? What did you do? You're just gonna come crawling, huh? You gonna stand up? Hmm? That's one way of getting here. You tell me a story? Hmm? Tell me a story. He's so handsome.
Inches of rain at the National Weather Service office. Orlando picking up about 3/4 of an inch today. Mount Dora 2.5. In Ormond by the Sea about a 1/2 inch. Everything was just localized in the